Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the USB and launching the right tool. Plug a 16 GB or larger USB, format as NTFS if prompted, and make sure you're signed in as an administrator. Once done, open Control Panel, choose Backup and Restore, or go through Settings to Backup and Restore, Windows 7. You do this because the legacy tool handles system images reliably. Next, verify the USB drive letter and disconnect other removable media, so Windows can target the correct device without confusion. You now create the actual system image. Click Create a System Image, then pick your USB drive as the destination. Include the system, boot, and recovery partitions so the backup boots. Watch the available space indicator. System images can range from 10 to 50 GB depending on your installation. Make sure to enable compression if you want to save space. However, if you need encryption, set up BitLocker on the USB afterward, or choose a tool that supports encrypted images. This step ensures a full recoverable snapshot. You finish by creating a recovery drive and testing the backup immediately. After the image completes, make a system repair disk or USB recovery drive and keep it separate from the image. Then test by rebooting and selecting the USB from the UEFI or BIOS boot menu. This confirms the image is bootable. If the device won't boot, verify partition flags, run chkdsk on the USB, and, if required, rebuild the BCD using Windows recovery commands. By testing, you avoid surprises during an actual restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.